Small Rema. This artist going to get respect. Small Rema. Go sing song. I too like woman. I too like woman. Me I know they borrow. They live on. You sing another one. And they go like 7 rounds. 7 rounds. Rema. 7 rounds. You will be home. That's EJC here also. Go and come. That's 1 round. 7 rounds. He money here. With all the money, 2 minutes. You don't come home.
Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, we're bringing on stage now a funny guy from the East. Please welcome Funnybone.
I was looking for a virgin when I got married. Somebody said that I got to live slow.
Kill it. Ladies and gentlemen, now me. Then call. Una focus. On a mind, una won't stress me. Go away. I'm a married man now. So I will go back again now. Rosalie, call me like who won't help you.
Ladies and gentlemen, a man from the East, a generous man, a man that does not hold back the dollars, a man that comes to the club and everywhere is popping. Please welcome a man that will never ask me for help anytime anymore. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the one and only Funnybone!
Thank you. You will help me. Now, so you did. This small way to help me. You won't carry and go. Ali, you will help me. Make some noise for our legends, please. Yeah. Ali Baba na comedy goat. RMD na Nollywood goat. Clint na family goat. Goat na goat. These legends, now them give this work the respect where you get. When Ali Baba starts, trouble. When them Ali Baba starts, this work no get level. See him now. When RMD begin art film, where did they put them inside bottle, person father? Small regional sky, bury father of 4 inside bottle. He even jump for the bottle. See, Clint na the first drunk man who enter Igbo family, marry person daughter. First. These are the real goats. AY say person bring goat. They call them goat. That means in a man. You will die, they be white, and goat will be white. What are you before? Na man. Listen, this country, this election don't open our eye. I never see where this country shake before, as it shake for February. So if you did here and you vote for February, clap for yourself. If you did here, February, you no vote, clap for yourself. Hold on. Get out. You are part of our problem. Social media can be active. They say na for small room. Say na 2 people, they do this Twitter thing. But they don't know what was coming. Now, online presence. No be RMD post picture last week. No say this man, no go gree us enjoy guests where they like us. Normally, if I post picture and they get 7,000 likes, with plenty, funny one, funny bubble, since when I'm married, leave me. But if you go RMD page, don't see the way with the wear. And then get white baby, and then tall. Now what kind of even pass this RMD? You bad guy. You're going to like this.
I like the way you grind on you.
Killer. Small girls. Zaddy for the girls. Let him just call my name. God, when? Your papa made to idiot. God, when? Now you one boy where they vex for RMD just right under. I better leave him. Now old man, he no go last for bed. Ladies and gentlemen, social media is a god. People they para. You Ledoche act film as Peter Obi. You do Peter Obi voice. The film name na Peter Obi. For the whole film, that's all you they talk. You know that this country, it cannot work on. If you don't do, I was Anambra governor for 8 years. If I'm lying, go and vary. They hail you for the comment section. Awesome acting, son of a legend. Odogwin Eme film. One ne Karaka, somebody right. But Peter Obi no marry second wife now.
Me, I'm not the cop. Me, I'm not the phone.
You know, Engel. Tini Dakolo Pikin, they go school. Tini post picture. My son, my pride. Going to school. He will make me proud. I love you. Somebody right under. Forget. Your Pikin go see smoke Igbo.
Make a body now, make a rocky now, until loving now.
Hold on. You know, end for there. Oh. Small Rema. This artist going to get respect. Small Rema. Go sing song. I too like woman. I too like woman. Me I know they tomorrow. They live on. You sing another one. And they go like 7 rounds. 7 rounds. Yeah. Rema. 7 rounds. You know, go. That's EJC here. Also, go Yaba. Go and come. That's 1 round. 7 rounds. E money here. With all the money, 2 minutes. You don't come home. Really? Now me go find trouble. I got married June last year. Finally, I see girl will like me, will agree to marry me. Because this marriage, he had Funnybone, marry. They never go tell you what it is inside marriage until you enter. Marriage be like court. Ibanye, eto.
There's always that one.
Shut up. Now you marry. And Nigerian girls, trust them. When you date them, they be like Buhari, where they find votes. Once you marry them, now Buhari will get ear problem. Shut up. Now so I put my wife picture for my page and write my wife, my pride, my hero, my joy, my jewel of inestimable value. Popom, Otongwa, Ogwom. Person right under. Funny, no be you go still cheat. Why not cheat? Ladies and gentlemen, before I take my leave, comedians in Nigeria are not appreciated enough. These are our legends. They call them now. Nobody faint. Nobody die. Nobody pass out. But if they call Tiwa Savage now, this job is now. Now my friend, I'm a guy. You go to table. Tiwa Mwa. But you have video, man. Nobody. Maybe P square now. Peter, only Peter, one of, maybe two, half P square, half. When they shout. Meanwhile, this Peter, I know I'm from small. We grow together. Their mama get bakery for Josh. I know. One was small, Peter for Josh. Where? One was small for Josh. Peter, native. I'm done. One of them said, no, Peter. All these artists, they know they go school. This Peter now, you in Abuja, first year, he run, they pursue him. Whiskey, go lead city, carry over the whole school, they pursue him. Davido, get first class, he no enter class. Burna Boy, go London, beat person, then pursue him, come Lagos, he hang. Our comedians, these legends, do you know what they have? Do you know who they are? Should I tell you something? Should I tell you who they are? This Ali Baba here, king of comedy in Nigeria, has a master's degree in philosophy. Clap for him. Not be peace. RMD here, he goes school. He gets something. RMD, he gets something.
You don't wanna go down there.
Hold it. I don't want to go down there. Clean the drum. Say, graduate. He goes school. He gets something. Hold on to me. Hey, right here. He goes school. He gets something. Spent 8 years for 4 years course. When they ask them what to keep up. See this one. He gets something. Before I go, the last comedian, you know they here, but I love him. Godons. Awesome comedian. Godons get 4 children from one woman. Clap for him. He does something. After all, the video them. Lagos.